Welcome to the celebration of a remarkable journey, 40 years of Family Bank of Kenya. From humble beginnings to becoming a banking giant, Family Bank has grown alongside the nation, empowering individuals, businesses and communities. Let's explore the significant milestones that have shaped our legacy. Introducing the vision behind Family Bank. Family Bank's journey began with a visionary leader, Mr. Titus Muya. An outstanding entrepreneur and the founder of several businesses spanning banking, insurance, real estate and agriculture, Mr. Muya envisioned a financial institution that would empower ordinary Kenyans and drive economic growth across the nation.
As I read article which I read way back in 1961 when I was 18 years old, it said that I could. All the big institutions you see in the world today were started by individuals. They all grew from humble beginnings and then grew to become big international organizations. I said, is that true? Then I shall start a bank one day. You hear that? I said, after reading the article second time, I said, yes, I will also start a bank one day. When I finished my high school course in 1963, I started working. I kind of forgot about that article. But then in the 70s, I stopped getting accelerated promotions. Therefore, I started getting frustrated. And I started now think I need to go into business because since I'm not a graduate, now I'm being overtaken by these guys. These guys come, I train them. Then after a while, I would see them taking the corner offices and becoming my bosses. So when that persisted, I eventually decided to start my own company. After a lot of debate, I ended up, even without the money registered, going to the bank, central bank, to apply for a license to start a bank. Because by that time, almost everybody in Kenya was starting a bank. After dilly-dallying for a long time, I decided to take those documents to central bank, to the treasury at that time. Central bank was not even registering banks at that time. So I went to central bank and I said I wanted to start a bank. Those guys, you laughed at me. But they were very cynical. Some of them to a point of insulting me, to even have started thinking or dreaming that I'll start a bank. It was a long, protracted journey. And for 4 years, I kept on going to the treasury, telling them I want to start a bank. And for those 4 years, they thought I was crazy, they thought I was mad. They asked me a lot of searching questions. How much money do you have to start a bank? What is your educational qualification? What is your experience? And all those questions. As for employment, you know when you become an owner of a bank, you don't have to work there. You employ people to work. So I knew the only question that I did not quite satisfy is the aspect of the money. But I said somehow. But the rest, I was able to answer. I went to the treasury. They told me, I think it was 2 officers, one of them who is still alive today. They told me, you know, you have been coming here for the last 4 years. Because you see, made an application to start a bank in October 1980. But we have called you here to tell you we cannot give you a license to start a bank. But then I started to say, why? He said, hold on, Mr. Moore. But what we want you to do, but we want to advise you that you should try and start a building society. And then from there, you can somehow find your way to starting a bank. So I went and applied for a building society license that following week. I don't know whether I went on a Monday or on a Thursday, because I used to go to treasury every Thursday. Now on that Thursday, or whether it's Monday, I went to the register of building societies. And I was very blunt. I was there in Treasury. I wanted a license to start a bank, but they told me to apply for a building society. Because I wanted to find out whether the others have been coming up that way. I told Minister Moya, you know, they stopped issuing licenses for banks about 2 years back. So what they have advised is what they have advised a lot of people. So I have a lot of building societies already registered here. Do you want to try one? I'll give you. Okay. So I said, yes, I think I want it if that is the case. And he told me, fill these forms, and when you come back, come with 2,000 shillings as the fee for the building society license. And that was it. I came back after a week. My license was there. I paid. I was given the license.
In 1984, Family Bank was established as Family Finance Building Society with one branch. The goal was clear: to bring accessible financial services to the people of Kenya. In 1985, Family Bank opened its first branch in Kiambu and set up our head office at Four Ways Towers, now known as Family Bank Towers. After years of steady progress, Family Finance Building Society made a historic leap in May 2007, becoming a fully fledged commercial bank, Family Bank Limited. At the helm of Family Bank is Miss Nancy Njau, a dynamic leader and accomplished corporate executive. Now serving as the Managing Director and CEO since January 2024, she is passionate about empowering individuals and businesses, ensuring the bank continues to meet the needs of its diverse customer base.
Some of my proudest achievements I've had for the last 22 years, I would categorize them into three. Number one is the kind of impact that I've seen myself impacting upon our customers. Because as per the vision and mission of Family Bank, we believe in positive transformation of people's lives. And I must say that there are customers that have seen them evolve, I've seen them grow, supporting them across their journey, and seeing them transform from a micro customer to now a big corporate. And for me, that's really a great achievement. In terms of our staff, I've seen myself working with teams in leadership, whether it is branch management, regional management, or maybe being a head of department. I've seen myself impacting our staff and seeing them grow to become leaders and now leading teams, leading departments, leading branches, leading regions. For me, that is an achievement which I'm really proud of. At my personal level, I must say and I must admit that I look at what I've been able to achieve since the time I joined as a young girl to where I am today. And having climbed the ladder within Family Bank, from management trainee to becoming the Chief Executive Officer and CEO, I think that is quite an achievement for me, and I thank God for it.
Family Bank's journey is anchored in a robust corporate governance framework that ensures transparency, fairness, and accountability.
In our board, we've got diversity of skills. I mean, just to mention the technical training of the board, we've got people with the HR expertise, we've got people with the finance and accounting expertise, we've got people with IT expertise, we've got people with enterprise and business, entrepreneurial skills. And we got the whole lot, people who have traditionally been bankers. And so we achieve that sort of diversity. And we also look for diversity in gender, and we are very well balanced. We are about 50-50 at the board at the moment.
Our chairman assures all stakeholders of the bank's dedication to best governance practices. By 2012, Family Bank had attracted key shareholders, including the Kenya Tea Development Agency, Pan Africa Insurance, and Lap Trust, positioning the bank for further growth. These partnerships enhanced our capacity to serve a diverse range of customers, from individual clients to corporate entities.
In this world, you can't do it alone. The bank cannot grow without partners. So partnership is key to our growth. KTDA, for instance, they invested in 2012 The value of their stock has more than trebled since 2012.
In 2013, Family Bank was named the best company to work for by the Think Business Awards, highlighting the bank's commitment to creating a positive work environment. In 2015, Family Bank was recognized as the fastest growing bank in Kenya at the Think Business Awards, securing 4.3 billion Kenya shillings to boost SME business lending. This achievement reinforced our dedication to empowering small and medium-sized enterprises. Family Bank's dedication to Kenya's small and medium enterprises was recognized in 2017 when it was awarded the Best SME Bank in Kenya at the Bankers Africa Awards. In the same year, our corporate bond was 147% oversubscribed, raising 4 billion Kenya shillings. In 2022, Family Bank was awarded the title of Best Tier 2 Bank in Customer Experience and ranked as the second best overall bank in customer experience according to the KBA Customer Satisfaction Survey.
I'm James Nyamwaya. I'm a director, one of the directors, Stadia Builders Limited. I want to encourage you to continue serving us well. I want to encourage that, if possible, all the staff in all branches are able to work like we have these ones in Kisumu. They are very cooperative, and we wish Family Bank grows more and expand more so that it can open even more branches here in Kisumu and the environs.
Kwa jina ni Jane Jerry Kagodho. Mimi ni wa Nakuru. Kisema historia ya Family Bank, wakati mwanzilishi alikuja Nakuru, alitupata. Sasa wakati alitaka kunja Nakuru na kuanza biashara ya bank, alikuja akatupata, tukamkaribisha hapa Nakuru. Na akawa anahitaji kuwa na mkutano na watu wa Nakuru. Nasi tulikuwa na marafiki wetu ambaye tunajuana, tuliweza kuwaita na kuwaelezea na tukawa na mkutano moja. Wakati alikuwa akifikiria atafanya nini, tulimpea hall, ghorofa ya 6. Kuna hall iko hapo, na wakakutana na wale marafiki zetu na wale alikuwa amejuana nao, wakawa na mkutano na wakaanza benki ya Family Bank hapa Nakuru. Sasa sisi hatugekosa kuwa na akaunti kwa Family Bank kwa sababu si umesikia ni ya family, na sisi tukaingia ndani tukawa hapo, na mpaka wakati huu tuko hapo, hatujatoka.
My name is Ahmed Mohamed Haji. I'm a businessman here in Mombasa. I have almost 4 companies that I deal with business. And kabla hiyo nilikuwa kwa banks zingine. I was frustrated kwa zile banks because nikiitisha pesa zangu mimi nawekewa masharti ya kuwa mpaka utujulishe siku 7 ama siku 10 ndio utoe pesa zako. Isiele wakati walifungua kwanza, mimi kazi yangu ikawa rahisi sana. Na niko na watu ya Family Bank ya good public relation department. Watu hao wanakuongeleza vizuri, na huwa nafurahi pia kusikia leo wanasherehekea miaka 40. Na ni furaha kwangu kuwa na hawa hiyo miaka 40 wakiwa wanasherehekea. Nimefurahi sana hiyo furaha. Kongole Family Bank for 40 years.
Dickson Okuku Bwire is my name. Cadenza Printers is a business located along Kangundo Road. I joined Family Bank in 2002. So I approached them in 2003. We worked out and he said he's going to give me a loan of 100,000. So that is the first loan I took from Family, and I bought my first machine. I discount checks almost on daily basis. I don't know. They have a product called check discounting. where you don't have money in the account, you go, you discount. So in short, I can tell you that Family Bank, I've enjoyed them, I've enjoyed their services, and they have supported me to grow.
By 2023, Family Bank's commitment to both external and internal customer service was well established. The bank was recognized by the Institute of Customer Experience for having the best internal customer experience thanks to its comprehensive employee-focused initiatives. As of December 2023, Family Bank was the fourth largest bank in Kenya by geographical reach, with 95 branches spread across 32 counties. The bank serves over 1.2 million customers, operates through 6,000 bank agents, and supports 75,000 merchants across the country. With total assets valued at 142.4 billion Kenya shillings and a deposit base of 102.6 billion Kenya shillings as of December 2023, Family Bank continues to lead in retail, SME, and corporate banking. Over the past 40 years, Family Bank has grown from a single branch to one of Kenya's most trusted financial institutions. Our vision is to positively transform people's lives in Africa by offering quality financial services that meet the evolving needs of our customers. Thank you for being part of our journey. Together, we will continue to drive growth, innovation, and positive transformation. Because at Family Bank, we are family. Tufanikishe zaidi.